Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a subject that is fundamental for everyone working in the construction industry, the 11 principles of lean construction. So stay there, don't miss the tips. It is evident that lean construction is not a fad in the market. In fact, adopting lean concepts is a crucial issue for engineering companies, as construction projects have tight profit margins. In general, the sector is unproductive and has waste throughout the construction process. Sector data reveal that civil construction is, on average, 30% less productive than other areas of the country's economy. Although the market has evolved and technologies have emerged to make buildings smarter, the sector is still at the beginning of the journey to change its reality. Being more productive and efficient would not only benefit the sector, but also the economy and, above all of us, customers and users of this market. Projects would be delivered on time, costs would be reduced, waste eliminated, and efficiency would increase. But if the benefits are so great, why hasn't the sector mobilized to change its reality yet? Many companies are already looking for solutions to get out of this scenario of losses and inefficiency. One of these solutions is the lean construction methodology, or lean construction, as it is also known. In the lean construction model, we seek to eliminate or considerably reduce waste, buying only what is necessary and using all available resources. Professionals maximize the use of raw materials and all stages are calculated, without excesses, which allows meeting deadlines. The great challenge for companies, however, is to start implementing this methodology in their culture. We prepared a complete and well-explanatory material on the lean construction methodology to help those who want to change the market standard, becoming different and a reference for the sector. Enjoy the video! What is lean construction? Lean construction is an approach that emphasizes productive efficiency and waste reduction. To achieve these objectives, the methodology argues that production processes must be understood, stabilized, and accelerated so that it is possible to reduce inventories, rework, and waste at all stages of the process. The lean philosophy was created in Japan after World War II by Taichi Ono, a Toyota engineer. Ono developed this line of thought with the aim of reducing operating costs and waste, making work methods less costly for companies. The lean model was initially applied in the automobile industry, but it has evolved over the years to be used in different sectors. In civil construction, the philosophy was adapted by Lori Koskila in 1992 for the management of a construction site. Koskila developed 11 lean construction principles to facilitate their replication in different companies in the sector. The objective of the lean methodology is to promote leaner processes, valuing resources, and eliminating waste, so that it is possible to do more with less. It is important to highlight that lean is a way of thinking and a philosophy, not just a specific tool or process. Lean Construction Principles by Lori Koskila. The lean philosophy preaches the elimination of activities that do not add value to the process and that only increase the loss of time and impair productivity. By adopting lean construction in their projects, companies can gain efficiency, productivity, and significantly reduce costs. However, for this, it is necessary to change the thinking pattern and culture in companies. Next, we will discuss the 11 principles of lean construction according to Lori Koskila. Reduce activities that do not add value. Not all activities carried out on a construction site add value in the eyes of the customer. It is necessary to assess whether the customer would pay for what is being done or for the final result. By understanding the customer's needs, it is possible to identify what can be reduced or eliminated and what deserves more attention. It is important to emphasize that lean construction aims to reduce costs and waste, but without compromising quality and efficiency. In some cases, however, it is not possible to eliminate all activities that do not add value, as they are essential for the execution of the project. For example, bending reinforcement is an activity that does not add value, but it is essential for reinforced concrete structures. In this case, the use of other constructive methods, such as the use of precast elements, can be considered to avoid activity. Increase product value by considering customer needs. In the lean construction philosophy, it is important to consider customer needs to increase the value of the final product. These customers can be from the users of the enterprise to the professionals involved in the project. To understand the value of the product, it is necessary to analyze the service journeys, map and study the processes, and identify the needs at each stage of the project. Reduce variability. The construction presents variability in several ways, either in the quality or in the duration of the activities. Thus, this principle seeks solutions to reduce variability, offering more stability to the system and, consequently, more predictability. An alternative is the adoption of industrialized construction solutions. Another possibility is the leveling of production. Reduce production cycle time. Production cycles in civil construction tend to be time-consuming. Lean construction proposes to optimize these cycles, often reducing them, so that more frequent and faster deliveries occur, maintaining quality. To achieve this goal, it is necessary to dedicate more time to planning, optimizing, and strategically distributing tasks and choosing reliable suppliers, which helps to reduce expenses, rework, and unnecessary purchases. Simplify by reducing the number of steps or parts. In the lean philosophy, simplification can have two origins: reducing the number of components present in a product and reducing the number of steps or parts present in a workflow. The number of steps and parts directly influences the amount of activities that will be performed and that do not add value to the process or the product, because of the auxiliary tasks that will be necessary to support the activity or the product. Increase product output flexibility. The objective of this principle is to increase the flexibility of the production process to allow changes in the characteristics of the products that will be delivered without increasing costs. This can be achieved through various strategies, such as reducing the size of lots, using multifunctional labor, and adopting different construction processes. The important thing is to ensure that the process is flexible enough to meet the needs of customers and the market. Increase process transparency. The key to the success of a project is good communication between everyone involved in the work. In construction, it is common for the execution team not to be aligned with the office, which can have several negative consequences. Lack of team involvement in the planning phase can result in unfeasible schedules, conflicts between areas, and general dissatisfaction. Adopting visual management methods can be an effective solution to reduce problems arising from lack of communication. Focus on controlling the entire process. The principle of focus on global process control implies delivering the work within the deadline, budget, and quality agreed with the client. To achieve this goal, the construction company must use innovative methods and tools to correctly monitor and measure each step of the process, instead of relying on conventional control methods. Introduce continuous improvement into the process. Continuous improvement should be an institutional, organization-wide process. Therefore, it is one of the basic principles of lean construction. This principle must be adopted as an effort by all the company's professionals, in order to make processes more productive, more efficient, and less costly. The evolution of some innovative construction techniques and practices is fundamental for the application of this principle. Keep a balance between improvements in flows and conversions. The principle of maintaining a balance between flow improvements and conversions holds that every flow improvement should be evaluated by the impact it will have on conversion, and vice versa. Investment in each of these areas should be determined by the impacts they will cause. The ideal balance will be achieved when improvements in flows and conversions happen in parallel. Conversion, in turn, refers to the process of transforming materials, information, and labor into a structure that adds value to the customer, resulting in loss reduction and enhancement of improvements. Perform benchmarking, top references. The actions that were implemented and showed good results must be replicated. Therefore, the practice of benchmarking will help the company to know its processes and to map all of this. In addition, companies must identify good practices in other businesses, considered market leaders, to adapt them to their reality. And so we come to the end of this video on the 11 principles of lean construction. We hope you enjoyed the information shared and that you can apply it to your future projects. Remember to like this video if you found it useful and valuable for your knowledge. Subscribe to our channel to receive more relevant content about the construction industry and project management. And don't forget to leave your comment below sharing your opinion about lean construction and how it can help your work. We would love to hear your opinion. See you at the next one.